two. He's gone down. Now, has there been some oil drops, Matt? Because, well, that's at turn 2.
It's the gap. Oh, Dovizioso's down. Dovizioso now has crashed out of this race. Dovizioso was running in third.
But Marquez is where he needs to be. Rins is up to second.
Oh, he's down. Is that Dovizioso
I think
as well?
it is.
There's fire from the Ducati.
Oh,
What happened?
Here we go, Iannone up the inside. Oh, Iannone, I think, to blame, don't you? Into the side of his teammate Dovizioso.
Maybe long pit stop of over 50 seconds. That though is Dovisioso sliding out of this race on the
Tree leads to tyres, Daz. There was a debacle here last year, wasn't it? And they've come here, Bridgestone, the control tyres.
Oh, yeah, fast place to crash there as well.
Did he get close? The gap he loses on the corner exit. But to try. Oh, Marquez has done. They're both down. Dovizioso, Marquez have crashed. Here we go. Oh, the front end just washing out from underneath Andrea Dovizioso. Absolutely no warning.
This ball that's coming out of the entry corner. You know, with bad ligament damage already in that knee for Andrea Dovizioso. I can't believe. Well, you know what happened there? Dovizioso was in hot himself behind Petrucci.
And we're going to follow up. We're going to ride with him.
I'm afraid that is your classic case of just made a big mistake on the previous lap as well, didn't he, Dovizioso? Oh, look at that, the front end just going out from underneath Andrea Dovizioso. You don't save those. Oh, look at that, he locked the front. Look at the smoke that poured off the front tyre when he locked the front end. The moment that he grabbed it.
This is why.
Oh, he was wide, and Andrea Dovizioso, that's where he knew it had all gone horribly wrong. Innocuous, slow.
A good circuit in general for Dovizioso, and look where he is.
sorry, Simon, we're going to have to cut in. We have to cut in. Dovizioso, Lorenzo, and Petrucci. He leads then. Oh, he's down. He's down at La Chapelle. Andrea Dovizioso goes down, leading this race, and he can't even work.
Oh, look at that, look how that, the front folded. The moment. So, Crutchlow still holding third place from Rins.
Oh, he's down, he's gone! It's over! It's all done!
Largo Andrea Dovizioso alla 3.
Forse ha toccato dentro. Forse ha toccato